Imagine a summer day. The sun is warm on your skin. A gentle breeze whispers through the garden, but there's something more. A beautiful scent fills the air. This is the magic of fragrant roses. Roses have been loved for centuries. Their elegant beauty captivates us, but their fragrance adds another layer of enchantment. It's a feast for the senses. Imagine a rose that blooms not just once, but again and again. This is the promise of reblooming roses. They bring joy throughout the entire season. From classic varieties to modern hybrids, the world of fragrant roses is vast. Let's explore the different types and discover their unique charm.
Fragrance is the soul of a rose. It transforms a beautiful flower into an unforgettable experience. The scent of a rose can evoke memories, lift spirits, and create a sense of peace. Some roses have light, sweet scents. Others offer rich, heady aromas. The intensity of the fragrance can vary depending on the time of day, the weather, and even the rose's stage of bloom.
Reblooming roses are particularly special. They offer the gift of fragrance throughout the entire growing season. Imagine stepping into your garden every day and being greeted by the sweet perfume of roses. Whether you prefer classic scents like rose otto or modern fruity notes, there's a fragrant rose out there for everyone. The world of roses is incredibly diverse, offering a stunning array of colors, shapes, and sizes that can captivate any garden enthusiast. There are roses for every taste and every garden style, from the classic elegance of hybrid teas to the vibrant clusters of floribundas. Let's explore some of the most popular types of roses that you can incorporate into your garden to create a breathtaking display.
Hybrid. Tea roses. These elegant roses are known for their long stems and perfectly formed blooms, making them a favorite among rose enthusiasts. They are ideal for cutting and adding a touch of sophistication to bouquets, often used in floral arrangements for their striking appearance. Double Delight is a classic hybrid tea rose with a captivating blend of red and white petals and a strong, sweet fragrance that can fill an entire room. Floribunda roses. If you're looking for abundant blooms, Floribunda roses are a fantastic choice. Known for their prolific flowering, they produce clusters of smaller flowers, creating a stunning display of color that can brighten up any garden space. Europeana is a beloved Floribunda rose with deep crimson petals and a rich damask fragrance that adds a touch of luxury to any garden. Grandiflora roses. These roses combine the best of both worlds, the long stems of hybrid teas and the cluster-forming habit of Floribundas, offering versatility in garden design. Queen Elizabeth is a timeless grandiflora rose with elegant pink blooms and a light, sweet fragrance that has made it a garden favorite for decades.
Climbing roses. These vigorous climbers can transform walls, fences, and arbors into breathtaking vertical gardens, adding height and drama to your landscape. Their long canes are covered in beautiful blooms, creating a cascade of color that can be truly mesmerizing. Shrub roses. As their name suggests, shrub roses have a bushy growth habit, making them perfect for filling in large spaces in the garden. They are generally hardy and low maintenance, making them a great choice for beginner gardeners who want beautiful blooms without too much effort. Miniature roses. Don't let their size fool you. These tiny roses pack a punch with their vibrant colors and charming appearance. Miniature roses are just as charming as their larger counterparts, and they can be a delightful addition to any garden. They are perfect for containers, window boxes, and small gardens, allowing you to enjoy their beauty even in limited spaces. Ground cover roses. These spreading roses are ideal for covering slopes, banks, and large areas, providing a carpet of color and helping to prevent soil erosion. They're known for their low-growing habit and abundant blooms, making them a practical and beautiful choice for large landscapes. Landscape roses. Bred for their disease resistance and low-maintenance nature, landscape roses are a popular choice for busy gardeners who want a beautiful garden with minimal effort. They come in a wide range of colors and bloom types, ensuring that there is a landscape rose to suit every garden style and preference.
Roses are relatively easy to grow, but providing them with the right conditions will help them thrive. By understanding their needs and giving them the proper care, you can enjoy a garden full of beautiful, healthy roses. Here are some essential care tips to ensure your roses flourish and bring vibrant color to your garden. Soil preparation. Roses prefer well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. Before planting, amend the soil with compost or aged manure to improve its texture and fertility. This will provide the necessary nutrients and create an ideal environment for root growth. Planting. Choose a sunny location for your roses as they need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Sunlight is crucial for photosynthesis, which helps the plants produce the energy they need to grow and bloom. Dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball and plant the rose at the same depth it was growing in the container. This ensures the roots have enough space to spread out and establish themselves in the new soil. Watering roses need regular watering, especially during dry periods. Consistent moisture is key to keeping the plants healthy and preventing stress. Water deeply at the base of the plant, avoiding wetting the foliage to prevent diseases. Deep watering encourages the roots to grow deeper into the soil, making the plants more drought-resistant. Feeding. Fertilize your roses regularly throughout the growing season to provide them with the nutrients they need to bloom abundantly. A well-fed rose plant will produce more flowers and have stronger growth. Use a balanced fertilizer specifically formulated for roses. This ensures that the plants receive the right mix of nutrients for optimal growth and flowering. Pruning. Pruning is essential for maintaining the health and shape of your roses. It helps remove dead or diseased wood and encourages new growth. Prune in late winter or early spring, removing any dead, damaged, or diseased canes. This will help the plant focus its energy on producing new, healthy growth.
With these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating a beautiful and fragrant rose garden. Enjoy the journey and the rewards that come with growing these timeless flowers. The effort you put into caring for your roses will be reflected in their stunning blooms and delightful fragrance, making your garden a true sanctuary. Designing with roses, it's truly a tapestry of beauty. Each petal, each bloom contributes to a living artwork that evolves with the seasons. Fragrant roses can transform any garden into a sensory delight. Their scent can evoke memories, create a sense of peace, and even attract pollinators, adding life and movement to your garden.
Here are some design ideas to inspire you. Whether you're starting from scratch or enhancing an existing garden, these ideas can help you create a stunning rose garden. First, let's talk about formal rose gardens. These gardens are characterized by their structured layouts and symmetrical designs. You can create a classic and elegant look with a formal rose garden. Symmetry and order are key elements here. Plant roses in symmetrical beds using hedges or low-growing shrubs to define the borders. This not only adds structure but also frames the roses beautifully. And adding a focal point like a fountain or statue can really enhance the grandeur. It draws the eye and creates a sense of destination within the garden.
For a more relaxed and romantic feel, you might want to incorporate roses into a cottage garden setting. This style is more informal and allows for a mix of different plants.
Absolutely. Mix them with other flowering perennials, such as lavender, salvia, and nepeta, to create a tapestry of colors and scents. It's just magical. The combination of different textures and hues can make your garden feel like a living painting.
Even if you have limited space, you can still enjoy the beauty of fragrant roses. Small gardens can be just as impactful with the right design.
That's right. Plant them in containers and place them on patios, balconies, or decks. This way, you can enjoy their beauty and fragrance up close. And don't forget to train climbing roses up trellises or obelisks to create stunning vertical accents. These can add height and drama to your garden. It's a fantastic way to maximize your space. Vertical gardening with roses can make even the smallest garden feel lush and full.
With these ideas, you can create your own beautiful and fragrant rose garden, no matter the size of your space. The possibilities are endless, and the results are always rewarding. Section 6. The joys of a fragrant rose garden. Growing fragrant roses brings a multitude of joys.
Roses are undeniably beautiful. Their elegant blooms and vibrant colors add a touch of romance and sophistication to any garden.
Fragrant roses are a magnet for bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects. By planting these roses, you're contributing to the health of your local ecosystem.
The scent of roses has a calming and relaxing effect. Imagine spending a warm summer evening in your garden, surrounded by the sweet perfume of your favorite roses.
Section 7. Keeping your roses healthy and vibrant. Like all plants, roses are susceptible to pests and diseases. Here are some common problems and how to address them.
Black spot appears as black spots on the leaves, eventually causing them to turn yellow and fall off. To prevent black spot, provide good air circulation around your roses and avoid overhead watering.
Powdery mildew appears as a white powdery coating on the leaves, stems and buds. To control powdery mildew, plant roses in a sunny location with good air circulation and avoid overhead watering.
Aphids are small, pear-shaped insects that suck sap from the leaves and buds of roses, causing distorted growth. To control aphids, spray them with a strong stream of water or use insecticidal soap.
Section 8. Embrace the beauty of fragrant roses. Fragrant roses that bloom all season are a gift to the senses.
They offer beauty, fragrance, and the joy of watching them bloom repeatedly throughout the year. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, consider adding these enchanting flowers to your garden.
With a little care and attention, you can create a fragrant oasis that will bring you joy for years to come. Section 9. Join the journey of rose growing. The world of roses is vast and full of wonder. There's always something new to discover, from classic varieties to the latest hybrids.
To continue your journey into the world of fragrant roses, subscribe to our newsletter. We'll share expert tips, design inspiration, and the latest news from the world of roses.
Let's create a world filled with the beauty and fragrance of roses.